all loaded up for a weekend with Charlie. Got my solo stove and my camping equipment. Charlie and I are here getting unpacked. There's our solo stove, ready for this evening's fire. Alright, so here's the Solo Stove Ranger. Just got it out of the plane, and what I've done is I've brought the wood that I need inside of it. I'm not going to have much of a fire for just one night, and this will be plenty. Pretty handy. It's just a stainless steel ring, Solo Stove, that the unit sits up on top of. It helps keep it off the ground a little bit. It doesn't get hot at all really at the bottom. So it's really only, they suggest, for on decks and things like that. This ring, it normally travels kind of inverted in there, but once you get it going, you put this ring on, and it really helps draw the air up and around when it burns. I'm very happy with this. I've used it a number of times now. Brought it out here to go camping with. The reason I bought it was the right size to fit in the airplane, and allows me to take it when I go camping. So this is the first time we're getting that tested out. With the wood that I've brought in the Solo Stove, it weighs 23 pounds total in its carrying case. Solo Stove is so efficient that it really burns up almost everything, so carrying home it'll be much less. The wood that's there, it'll probably burn for half hour, 45 minutes with a nice flame, and coals for probably an hour, and that's just right.